Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be talking about the game we've been working on for the past academic year at the University of Huddersfield. And it's been both a collaborative effort of both computer game design and game programming courses here at Huddersfield. So our game is called Descent into Gehenna, which is a two-player multiplayer turn-around RTS, which starts you either on the Vikings or the demons, and there's two units, and you play with those. And it's set in the underworld of Valhalla. So we're so excited about this and proud of this project that we are considering continue developing the title now that the academic year's out. We had a lot of feedback from this game, and that a lot of people were really proud of really happy with what we did, and it was ace. And so yeah, the feedback was fantastic. So Tom, our lead programmer, worked tirelessly and had a lot of sleepless nights and had to put work back, and we're happy with what he implemented. That he actually made the networking for our game. We had two programmers, and the second one didn't really do much for our game. Took the code that he made and implemented it, so it worked. So that's like being implemented, and we're just so proud of it. So pretty much I'm going to go over what I did for the project. Basically, I was the lead 3D artist for this title, and and also the head of testing as well. Basically, I want to get the 3D artist part that way first, so that basically I can go into the testing part, because the testing part is a lot more complicated to talk about. Basically, for the 3D artist aspect of it, I kept control of what me and Corey did on the project. Corey is the 3D artist I watched over on this project. We basically made all the assets and made sure that everything was in there, and I had to basically make a checklist every week of what was due. So in the end, all the assets you see in this game were either made by Corey or me. Corey or me, practically. Yeah. So now I'm going to talk about testing. Testing is the process that I announced when I did my first presentation at university, which was I was going to emphasise on the point that we were going to test this game. And when we say testing, we don't just mean to test for bugs, we mean test to fix the gameplay mechanics. Because that's how testing should be. Like, a lot of people say, ooh, I'm doing testing, but it's just to fix bugs. You have to fix the gameplay elements, you have to fix the mechanics, you have to make sure that game works in every shape and form. And okay, there are bugs. It's like me and Tom played it tonight whilst we were recording this, and we were having issues. We found some problems in there, but went over it quickly, and he fixed them and sorted them out, and it's the type of thing. That's what makes a good team. I'm sorry guys, but anyways, I'm really happy to talk about my team. So Milrosh was the lead designer on this game. In the end video you will actually see who these people are. So we've got Milrosh, who's our lead designer. We've got Tom Wickham, who's our lead programmer, and he did a fantastic job with this. We had a right laugh talking and trying to get the project right. We spent probably around 50 hours the other week actually doing the testing, sleepless nights, and my partner probably killed me. Anyways, the next is a massive part of this development process. Ryan Young was the main 2D artist for our game. He gave us the visual aesthetic for our game and told us of different ways we could implement techniques. He also developed one of the characters and actually made one of the characters himself. And he works with me on the textures, and we talked in collaboration. It was fantastic. Myself, I'm the 3D artist. I'm Ashley Rowe, and then we've got Mahmood Khan, who was the 2D artist. We worked alongside Ryan to produce turnarounds and other things like that. Then we've got Tom Phillips, who was the other other programmer. He produced the first set of code to get network implemented, and without Tom Phillips we wouldn't actually be where we are now, so thank you, Tom. And Corey Breen, who's basically been the second 3D artist on the team. He also made the map for our level. He's produced some pretty nice things. Anyways guys, enjoy the videos that I've got on this playlist, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Alright guys, see you later.